All right, we're gonna do crack back position. All right, this is gonna be shot counters from here. You're gonna learn last resort stuff. What we do here is when we get in this position, he climbs up the body, we bail. Okay, we don't have to bail. We can still fight. All right. So what I like to do is a quick move, post my hand on the mat, get my hip up, hip heist out, butt drag, and hook that ankle. So I'm gonna post, hip heist out, butt drag. No, step, your partner. Hook this ankle, and come across face. So again, I'm here, post my hand on the mat, hip heist out, butt drag, hook this ankle, come to the cross face, and I got my 2. One more time. Now it's very quick, guys. You can't sit here for too long. If I'm right here, we'll grab this arm, chop him down, I'm screwed. All right, so fighting, post, hip heist out, butt drag, hook that ankle, come across face.
What if he doesn't let go of the legs?
What's up?
What if he doesn't let go of the legs?
That's why you have the cross face, or you can suck the head. So if he doesn't want to let go, I'll elevate, go that cross face. What do we have here? An overhead, right? Any questions on that?